You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say this name? Bonjour, by the way. This word in French, it's of French origin, is said as cortège in English, because it comes from French cortège, cortège, cortège in French, cortège in English. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, it helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.